Welcome to The Better You, where we empower you to reach new heights. Today, we're talking about embracing failure. We all face failures in our lives. It's natural, and it's part of the journey. But what sets successful people apart is their ability to embrace failure and use it as a tool for growth and self-discovery. Failure teaches us important lessons and helps us understand our strengths and weaknesses. It pushes us to work harder and smarter, and to never give up. When we embrace failure, we also embrace courage and resilience. We learn to take calculated risks and to trust in our abilities. And, as a result, we become more confident and self-assured. So, the next time you face a failure, embrace it with open arms. Use it as a tool to become a better version of yourself. Remember, failure is not the end, it's just the beginning of a new journey. Thank you for joining us on The Better You. Stay tuned for more empowering content to help you reach your full potential.